Ever seen a beach that looks like your computer wallpaper? This is Wharariki, the real-life Windows 10 background. Epic views, wild weather, and the perfect place to start our Abel Tasman adventure.
Beautiful breakfast spot for today, next to the ocean.
Let's start this journey right at the far end of Abel Tasman National Park. And on the way, let's meet some of the locals. First up, this absolute legend. I swear New Zealand even does peacocks better than the rest of the world. The walk to Wharariki Beach already feels like stepping into Middle Earth. Rolling hills, lonely paths, sheep watching you every move, and even a cow giving me the side eye. And if there's one thing I've learned about New Zealand already, it's that the weather has a mind of its own. Sunshine one moment, and of course, just when we reach the beach, rain. Classic. But even with the clouds rolling in, this place is unreal. A few more quick drone shots before the fog completely eats the landscape. A seal taking a swim in the shallow water. One of the absolute highlights here. Oh, and just a quick heads up. New Zealand is always windy, so you might hear a bit of wind noise here and there. I cleaned up the audio as much as I could, but sometimes the wind just wins. That's part of filming outdoors in New Zealand, and honestly, part of the adventure. It rained a lot, so we left the beach. We have this weather again.
Ah, home sweet home.
Come in.
We love the weather in New Zealand.
Getting ready for the trip tomorrow. Who doesn't like camping in the rain? I actually enjoy it a lot. Laura, what do you think? Camping in the rain?
Ooh, it's so good. We have to stay inside to be warm.
Finally, the dinner is ready. I can't wait for it. I'm starving. Good morning. So I just drove us to the toilet. One is still in bed. Unbelievable. Morning. So we just started the end of the Abel Tasman Coast Track. So we start from the top and try to make a loop on the top today. It's supposed to be 23 kilometers. Let's see how we go for the beautiful view. We just reached the first hut. Looks actually pretty nice. Ooh, nice. Yeah. I could live and sleep in here.
This entire coastline is full of surprises. Every turn here brings something new. Hidden coves, golden beaches, and turquoise waters that just take your breath away. Honestly, the views never stop surprising you. One minute you're looking down on a quiet bay. The next you're greeted by waves crashing on a pristine beach. Walking here, it feels like the coastline is showing off every single feature it has. And somehow, it still manages to do it with complete calm and beauty. Just finished this first section of the trek, and honestly, this part might be my favorite of the whole Abel Tasman hike. The views, the beaches, the vibe, it's just unreal. Don't worry, we're only getting started. The rest of the trail has even more surprises waiting.
Time for a snack. We're on Mutton Cove, and it's time to jump in. Then here overnight, wake up in the morning with that view. Couldn't get any better again. Look at this beautiful place, little paradise, just for us. Incredible. Not a bad spot for a little picnic. Never seen that before. Oh, I guess somewhere up there. Very easy. I'm not out of breath at all. I guess we lost our way a little bit. But we're getting there. There it is. Oh God, we missed you. We made it. Check. Whew, that was a walk. Sorry, the battery just died, but we finally made it back. After 8.5 hours and nearly 40,000 steps, we made it. Another river crossing. Ooh.
And here we go, the second part of the trek. Up hills, over rocks and through winding trails. Let's see if we stay on the path this time.
Bit of an adventure here. Through the jungle. But it's actually the official way. Every now and then you find some pink arrow signs. It shows you the way.
Okay, there's no way, we're defeated. We tried everything, even with the drone, but still, what a hike.
Alright, we're on our way back. Couldn't find any crossing down there. I guess I found our hut for tonight. At least we got a roof. Very interesting.
That's it for today. No crossing found, but the adventure continues. See you tomorrow.
Good morning. Early morning on the parking camp. So we're doing the Abel Tasman Coastal Track, the beginning today. Laura just had a little accident and now she's doing an operation on her hand or arm. Woo!
And just look at these views again. Every corner of this track keeps surprising us.
Lunchtime!
How do you feel, Laura?
I'm alright.
On the third day, we didn't take many videos. It was a long day. We just enjoyed the walk and the amazing surroundings. The trek might be over, but there's still so much more of Abel Tasman to explore.
Just right before sunset. 10 hours. I'm so tired. I don't know
10:20.
how much we walked. My legs are dying.
Now, let's check out some of the amazing things you can do around Abel Tasman.
This morning we did Labyrinth Rocks. Laura's studying the map. And this is the entrance. Just finished the labyrinth basically. We're on our way back to the car. And yeah, it's actually an amazing place. Very good for the kids, I would say. And you can get lost a lot of times, and the rock formations are very interesting to see as well. If you're around, highly recommend to stop by for an hour or something and to explore this incredible place.
Next up, Wharariki Falls. A short walk brings you to this stunning waterfall. The perfect mix of lush forest and rushing water. Here's a hidden gem, Wharariki Cave. The climb is steep, but totally worth it. Inside, the cave is like its own secret world. The stunning walk to get here and the views from the top, it's an adventure you won't forget.
Let's go and explore those springs.
Tewaikorupupu Springs next to Takaka in the Abel Tasman National Park. One of the clearest waters you can find in the world. Hardwood Hole is cool, but let's be real, the lookout steals the show. Just look at those views, truly unforgettable. Laura found this old boat and we will try to get over there. Made it. Another city, another parking spot for the night. Check out Split Apple Rock. Nature really nailed this one. An apple perfectly split in two. Next up, the Resurgence. Look at that water. Unbelievable clear. Almost glowing. I had to try it. And wow, it's freezing. Honestly, one of the coldest waters I've ever stepped into. But so refreshing. And it's a perfect spot to take a break and soak in the amazing surroundings.
You can see the difference, but they're quite red.
Alright, let's go for the first swim in New Zealand. Follow me into the water.
Okay.
First dip in the New Zealand Ocean. Freezing, but absolutely worth it. And that's a wrap for Abel Tasman. What a wild, beautiful adventure. Next week, we dive into part 3 of our New Zealand trip. More epic spots and crazy experiences ahead. If you loved this, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. You don't want to miss what's coming. And on our last day in the area, we stumbled upon a playground opening and the local kids were singing. It felt so special to be there randomly. The energy was amazing and it still gives me goosebumps.